Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix stuck on applying update error in Overwatch 2. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to go to apps and features, and you just need to here write battle.net and uninstall battle.net. And after you've done this, then you need to go back here, and here you need to write delete temporary files, wait for it, then until it loads up. Here you need to press on temporary files. Wait again for a few seconds here until it loads up, and just press remove files. And after you've done this, then another thing that you need to do here, you need to press Windows and I key and just write %sign local app data %sign, press OK, and then you need to delete these two folders, Blizzard and Battle.net. And after you've done this, then you need to, don't worry, just the cache files, it won't affect your settings or whatsoever. And then you just need to press Windows and I key and go to app data. And here also delete Battle.net and Blizzard, but it's only Battle.net, so just delete this. And another step that you want to do here, you need to press Windows and I key, and you just need to write program data, and same thing here as well, delete all these two folders here. And after you've done this, then what you need to do here, you need to go to browser, go to Battle.net, and then download Battle.net here, and just download it, install it, log into your account, and your problem should be fixed. Right, so that's pretty much it. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.